The first step you need to take is to launch your Microsoft Word application. And after that, open the document. So look at mine here. So once you're on the document, you click on a spot where you want to insert the table. All right. So in this case, let's assume I want to insert the table on this spot. Then click on the Insert tab. On clicking on Insert tab, you will be provided with some options. One of them is table. Click on that table. Then it depends on the number of rows and columns you want to have in the table. So as you're moving down here, you will see how many it will be. If maybe you want it to be two columns and two rows, you take your cursor here. So depending on the number you want it. So let's say I want to work with these three, move down a little where I have name, age, and location, all right, or score. Let's say I want to prepare students' information after examination. So on the assumption that I want it to be this way, I'll click on that spot. You can see it has been inserted, and I can start entering the information, name, age, and score. All right. So after you have this heading, click here, add the first name, the student's name, the first person data, click here, add the age, click here, add the score. So create your table the way you want it. There's another way you can insert this table inside your document. All right. Let's say custom. All right. You want it to be specific number of rows and specific number of columns. Once you click on insert, you will see some options as usual. Click on table. Then you will see this option insert table. Click on it. Then number of columns. How many columns do you want it to be? That means the vertical lines. All right. Let's say I want to have 5 columns here. I will insert the value. Then number of rows. How many number of rows do you want to have? The horizontal ones. Okay. Let's say I want to have maybe 8. Okay, then fix column width auto is selected, which is fine. The next step is to click on OK. On clicking on OK, everything is inserted, so you can, enter your data the way you want it, and you're good. If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Thank you, and see you some other time.